Deyang Tianhe Mechanical Manufacturing Company Limited was established in 2005, located in Deyang, only 120 kilometers away from the Chengdu port. In 2020, we successfully produced more than 10,000 tons of aluminum alloy products, with a net income of 270 million yuan. We now have more than 200 employees and 14 research and development staffs. Our research and development team is proficient in metal mold making, mold flow analysis, clapping tool designing, knife designing, and 3D designing. The fine production and quality control team, automated assembly lines, and SPC analysis make up our good delivering and quality system. With the strong support of our R&D department, we are able to make the mold according to customers' requirements and start the mass production process within 30 to 60 days. We also welcome OEM orders. We own more than 100 CNC machining centers, 6 CNC tapping centers, 19 CNC milling centers, 23 CNC horizontal lathes, and so on, intending to offer customers with fine CNC machining solution. Moreover, in 2020, we have imported advanced German dosing furnaces and central melting furnaces for our die casting center, with 3 matching robotic streamlines. Our quality is guaranteed by the quality control system IATF 16949, provided by our cooperative partner factory. If you are seeking engineering assistance for your products, we are happy to be your help.